Hi, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a garden hack, and all you're going to need is a muffin tin and some seeds. So let's head out in the garden and I'll show you what I got for you today. Okay, here we are in the garden, and if you're like me and you like your plants to be perfectly evenly spaced, then use one of these. All you have to do, and this works really good, so before I get too into it, this works really good for carrots and beets because, as you probably know, if they grow too close together, they can get intertwined or they just are stunted in their growth. And this is the perfect spacing for carrots and beets, which is what I'm planting today. So I'll just show you what it looks like. It's super fast and it makes planting a delight and makes everything really pretty when they grow up. Okay, now that we have all of the cute little holes, we're just going to put one seed in the center of each hole. And once you have your seeds in, all you have to do is just gently cover it up with soil and pat it down and water it in, and you're all done. Now all you have to do is wait for them to grow up and look beautiful. And that's all I have for you guys today, but please subscribe, stay tuned to my channel. I have some other things I want to share with you, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Bye!